11, going to work. It's raining today. Yeah, so far, I don't know. I accomplished some stuff like cleaning my room, redoing the bathroom, going out more. Anyways, slow progress, but nonetheless progress. So can't be too hard on myself for playing games a couple days ago. Even though it was just 2 games, I still play game. But you know, all right, that's all. All right, at work, coffee of the day, and then I'll get to work. You know what's better than drinking coffee in the morning? Free coffee. All right, getting off work for 5:30, and let's see if my cat is waiting for me. She can hear me coming home sometimes. Oh yeah. Hi, Ninja. She was already waiting at the door. Luckily, she didn't run out. Hi, Ninja. Hi. You coming or what? You gonna come say hi? Oh, I guess not. She doesn't care about me anymore. Oh, are you coming? Ninja. I'm out. Ninja. Ninja. You coming? You just gonna sit there? Hi. Hi, Ninja. Hi. 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 Tới mùa nó tận anh. You ready? You ready for a good treat? Yeah? You want it? Yeah? You ready for your food? This one? Oh, yeah, you do. You love it. You like, delicious. Ah, delicious, mama. All right. What's coming? We'll just do half. There you go. Why? All right, time to unbox. For my kitchen. Oh yeah. 4. All right, more stuff. see what I get. I wonder if this is my storage. Oh. Oh, it's for the cat. All right, just vacuum, wipe down the top of that. So it's dust free and vacuumed it. So I'm gonna have to cut this, and it's adhesive, and then tape it down so that in the future when the cat is big enough, I know she'll be jumping all over the place, and that's one of the spot. So anyways, here we go. All right, so all done over there for the future catwalk. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a bath and call it a night. Little things at a time. Hopefully, eventually, this room will be a lot more clean and organized. Yeah. All right. Just booked my trip to Thailand, Bangkok. Yeah. Solo trip number 3, fourth time, I forget. Third time. Anyways, gonna go to bed now. Yeah. All right, 9:15. Day 11. I forget the days. What day is today? Today is Wednesday. Started on Sunday. 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. End of day 11. Nothing exciting today, so that's it.